Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn, or probably today's lecture would be based on learning how to solve linear equations in one variable. Okay, so we will be dealing only with the problems, solving of problems based on linear equations in one variable. Now, what exactly are these linear equations? How do they look like? Which one you call a linear equation? What is the difference between an equation and an expression? So all those things I have explained you earlier, and the link of those videos which I have explained you earlier I have given in the description below. So you can click on the links that are given in the description below of this particular video and check the details of the linear equations. I've explained the entire theory part, okay, by giving some examples. Okay, why do you call it linear? Why is it linear? And what is the difference between expression, equation, and all those things. So you can go and check there. So today we will confine ourselves only to solving of problems on linear equations. Okay. So we will get started. So the first problem is 5x minus 17 is equal to 5x minus 17 is equal to 2x minus 8. Okay. So how do you solve this? Now this is called a linear equation. It's an equation because you have an equality sign, and in this equation we are having only one variable, that is x, and we are supposed to find the value of x. How do we find? Let us learn that. Let us try and see how do we find the value of x. Okay, so what we do is, to begin with, all the terms containing x, we bring it to one side of the equation, and all the terms that do not contain x, the constants, we take it to the other side of the equation. Okay, so that is called as transposing. When I transpose 2x to this side, the sign changes. Plus becomes minus. This becomes minus 2x is equal to 17. Minus 17 becomes plus 17. Minus 8 remains as it is. So this would give you what? 3x is equal to 9. Now what do? You divide both sides by 3. Okay. What do you get? We get 3 and 3 get cancelled. So x is equal to 9 by 3 is again 3. So this is my answer. I found the value of x. So I was asked to find the value of x. Solve means the problem will be given to you. Solve this. Solve means finding the value of x. I found the value of x. So my value of x is equal to 3. Now is it correct or wrong? I need to check. How do I check? I can put the value of x is equal to 3 in the original equation. 5x minus 17 is equal to 2x minus 8. If I put it, it should get satisfied. Okay. So if I substitute the value of x is equal to 3, let me substitute and see. 5 3 is 15. In place of x, I have to put 3. 15. So 15 minus 17 is what? Minus 2. And here on this side, right hand side of the equation, x is equal to 6. 6 minus 8, again minus 2. So minus 2 over here and minus 2 over here. So the left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side of the equation. Hence the equation gets satisfied. Okay. So my answer is correct. Okay. Next, now how about this? So this is again an equation in one variable. Okay, what is the variable? The variable is x. So how do you solve this? Again, solve this equation. How do you solve? Solve means finding the value of x. Now, you must have learnt in your earlier classes that for solving or applying any operation on an equation, or what you call any given a problem, the first thing that you do is you just try to solve the terms within the bracket. BODMAS, remember the rule BODMAS. Okay, so first solve the terms within the brackets, then go next. Okay, so we'll try to solve this. So minus 3 into 2x is what? Minus 6x. Okay, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into minus x, minus 5x. Minus 4x. Fine, now the brackets have gone. Now it's again a simple equation like the first one what we did. So again here what we do, try to bring all the terms containing x, the variables, to one side of the equation, and the terms not containing x, the constants, to the other side of the equation. Let's try doing that. So minus 6x remains as it is. Then this minus 5x comes this side. When this gets transposed to this side of the equation, the sign changes. Minus 4x becomes plus 4x. 30 remains as it is. Plus 9 becomes minus 9. Plus 6 becomes minus 6. So what do you get here? 9. 9 minus 6 is what again? 3. Plus 3. So 3x is equal to what? 15 minus 15. 30 minus 15 is what? 15 only. So dividing again both sides by 3. What do we get? Therefore my x is equal to 3 and 3 get cancelled. So x remains here. 15 by 3 is what? 5. And this is my answer. Now you can cross check by putting the value of 5. So if you substitute the value of 5 in the original equation, so you can check that the left hand side would be equal to the right hand side. That means this equation gets satisfied for this value of x is equal to 5. Okay, you can cross check if you want. Let me do it for you. 5 into 2 is what? 10. First we'll solve this bracket one. 5 into 10. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. Correct? Now 7 over here, Then 7 into minus 3 is what? Minus 21. Correct? 6 minus 21 is what? Minus 15. So we got minus 15 over here. Keep it aside. Come this side. Now 5, x is equal to 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. First the bracket part, 1 we get. So 5 into 1 is 5 again. Now x is 5. So 5 goes to 20. So plus 5 minus 20. Plus 5 and minus 20 is what? Again minus 15. So we got minus 15 over here and minus 15 over here. So the left hand side of the equation, that is the LHS, is equal to the right hand side of the equation, RHS. So that means the value of x is equal to 5 satisfies the original equation. Hence my answer is correct. Okay. Next. If you still have any doubts, if you feel that something is not clear and you're not able to understand, write it in the comment box. Just whatever doubts you have, mention those doubts and what kind of clarification you're looking for. Let me know in the comment box, comment section. I will get back to you on that. Okay. The third one, solve again. X by 4 plus x by 6 is equal to what? X minus 7. Okay. Now bring again x to this side. You can either do that. Right now you can transpose this x to this side and do it in one stretch, or you can solve this part once and whatever you get, then bring x to this side. Either way, the answer would be same. Okay, it doesn't really make a difference. You can either shift this x, transpose this x in the beginning itself, or solve this part first and then for whatever value you get, then bring x to this side, solve that part and then find the value of x. Okay. What I did, I just transposed the x to this side. Okay, is equal to minus 7. Now take the LCM. What is LCM? 12. How to take the LCM? You know about it. You know very well how to take the LCM. You have learned this in your earlier classes, taking LCM. I'm not going to teach you that. Okay. So 4 and 6, the LCM is 12. And now divide 12 by 4, you get 3. 3 into x is 3x plus divide 12 by 6, 2. 2x minus 12x. Okay. So what do you get now? Minus 7x by 12 is equal to minus 7. If I divide both sides by minus 7, what do I get? X by 12 is equal to 1. Therefore, x will be equal to 12. How? Cross multiplying. 12 ones are 12. Okay. So, this I can write it as 1 by 1. So, my cross multiplication x is equal to 12. 12. Okay. So, this is your answer. You can again cross check. Substitute the value of x is equal to 12 in the original equation. It should satisfy. Then only you can say that your answer is correct. Check. So 12 by 4 is what? 3. 12 by 6 is what? 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. And here 12. 12 minus 7 is what? Again 5. So you get 5 over here and 5 over here. That means the left hand side of the equation, the LHS, is equal to the right hand side of the equation, that is the RHS. Okay. So now that means this x is equal to 12 satisfies this equation. So my answer is correct. Okay. Next. Fine. We'll go to the next problem. Now, how do you solve this? I'll solve this part first, okay? So what do I get? Again, I take the LCM. My LCM is x plus 2 into x minus 2. You can either write this or you can write a plus b into a minus b as a squared minus b squared. So you can also write x squared minus 4. Even that is correct, okay? It's your choice. Both are correct. Now what do I get here? Okay, I'll keep this as it is. Correct. So 5x minus 3x is what? 2x minus 16 by x squared minus 4. Okay, so now I'll take 2 common. So my 2 and 2 get cancelled. What am I left with? Cross multiply. So x squared minus 8x is equal to x squared minus 4. This get cancelled. Ultimately I get minus 8x is equal to minus 4. So x will be equal to what? 4 by 8. That is equal to and that's my answer. Okay, I leave this problem, the checking part I leave it to you. You can put the value of x is equal to half here and check. So if it's satisfied, the answer is correct. Okay, I'll leave it to you to do it. If you don't get, you can get back to me in the comment section. I'll get back to you on that. Okay, I hope everything is clear. No doubts. Able to understand, huh? Okay, let's move forward now. We'll try to solve the next problem. Yeah. Now, how do you solve this? This is very easy. X to the side, transpose this to that side. What do you get? The sign changes when this goes from here to that side, okay? You get 4.5 minus 1.25. That would give you what? 5 2 3 3.25. Okay, now so that means 9.75 by x is equal to 3.25. You always have 1 over here in the denominator. Okay, now cross multiply. What do you get? 3.5 to x is equal to 9.75. Now find the value of x. This would be 9.75 by 3.25. Solve this, you'll get the value of x. Now I have two places after decimal here, two places after decimal here. I can remove the decimal point. I think it goes exactly 3 times. So x is equal to 3. Okay. So my answer is therefore x is equal to 3. Again, you can separate the value of x is equal to 3 in the original equation here and check and get the same answer. Okay. I leave this part to you. You can do it yourself. Next. Now I'll take up the last problem for the day. Two x by x squared minus 16 minus 3 by x minus 4 okay. Now again take the LCM. I'll solve this part first, then later I'll come to that part. So what is my LCM over here? It will be x squared minus 16. If you have any doubts on how do I get x squared minus 16 as LCM and how am I able to solve this part, if you're not able to understand here, please comment, leave your comments in the section comment box. Okay, and express your doubts in the comment section and I will get back to you and explain you again. Okay, right. So what do I get here? 2x minus now if I divide x minus 4, x squared minus 16 by x minus 4, I get x plus 4. Okay, so x plus 4 into 3 is about 3x minus 12. Because you have a minus sign over here. Okay, that is how I got this. This if I divide I get 1, so I get only 2x. Right, so 2x minus 3x is again minus x. Okay, now cross multiply. Well, I'll factorize this. I'll write this as x plus 4 into x minus 4. So this and this goes away. Now cross multiply. So what do I get? I get minus x minus 12 is equal to 5x minus 20. Okay. So that means what? My 6x would be equal to minus 8. No, 8. So x will be equal to 8 by 6. Or you can write, simplify and write 4 by 3. Okay. So today we'll stop here, we'll end here. So the subsequent problems, we'll take it up again in the next class. Okay. So till then, I request you to practice a lot. And then any doubts you have in these problems, concerning these problems, or anything else about linear equations, you can express those doubts in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you on that. Okay. So I'll leave you here, we'll stop here, and see you in the next class. Okay. Till then, take care and goodbye.